you something about the comfortable, and their shoes are very light. So the other one is on backward. They're kind of pricey, but and my foot is Hi everyone! So for today's vlog, we're gonna unbox the shoe that I ordered online. It already is here, and just to tell you something about the shoe, this brand I really like personally because of the quality and the support it gives my feet, and it's really comfortable, and their shoes are very light. So I'm happy having this because, as you all know, I have problems with my foot. The kind of job that I have to stand for long hours at work. So I really need a good comfortable shoes that has like good support. So without further ado, here is the shoes that I ordered. I actually ordered 2 pairs, but the other one is on back order, so they just deliver me the other pair that they have available. So the brand of the shoe is HOKA. You can check their website and know more about the shoes and the quality of the shoes. Just to check it, just to, like, you know, get you informed on something if you want to know some more about the brand. But yeah, they're really famous for good comfortable shoes. They're kind of pricey, but for me, I find it worth it because it really gives me what I needed. So yep, I love this. I love these shoes, and I love their brand. I never bought any other brand since I start using this. So yeah, so let's do it. I ordered this time. I ordered the Gaviota 3SR, and I ordered my shoes in white because I don't want my toes to get squished. So I like it more sitting comfortably inside the shoes. And my foot is small, so I wear with the HOKA brand. I wore like 5.5 on sizes, so it's very short. It's very small. So anyways, you can check the shoes. So I ordered the Gaviota 3SR, and then the color is I don't know, it didn't state in here, but on the website they have it. I forget. So this is the one. It's really cute, and they're really light, and as you can see, the support is really nice. And the second pair, so the details is really nice, and the colors, and I don't know, they're just made really nice. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like Nikes, Adidas. I have those shoes also, but since I start using this, I never bought any of them already because I find this more to me it works best because of the condition of my foot. I got really deep arch on my foot, so I have to have a shoe that has good support. And yeah, and this one is really nice. If you're gonna try it and buy one, or just to try it, find it in the store and try it yourself, and then you will, and let me know, you will know the difference. And so yeah, this is the Gaviota 3. It's their latest release shoes. But yeah, you guys should try it, or just go to the shoe store, or if you see one, and just try it on, see if you will like it too. But as soon as you put it on, you can really feel the difference. I wear different good shoes before too, and when I wear this one after having a foot injury, I really fell in love with it. And the price, like I said before, it's a little bit pricey, but most shoes actually, especially if you're into a fan of, like some people, they like to buy Nikes or Adidas or whatever. They spend money because it's what they want. For me, I want something that gives me comfortable shoes and good support for my feet, and I find it really worth the price. Because to me, if you work standing all day at work, you really have to invest in good shoes that makes you comfortable standing for your job. And this one, it's really nice because I can use it for like going on a walk or running at work, and they're very light. So yeah, so try it guys. If you want to know more about the brand, you can check it out at their website. It's called HOKA ONE ONE. It's spelled 1-1, but it's ONE ONE. So it's HOKA ONE ONE. But HOKA, it's HOKA, HOKA. So yeah, I'm happy. So I can't wait for the next shoe. When it arrives, I'm gonna do a vlog for it too. So see you later and see you around. Have a good day. And mega love shout out pala to all my members. and Super Chatters, Fansam TV, Onelnest TV, who else? Eva and Family Adventure, and GM Couture, Isa Pasaway, and who else? Chinito Ong, Beth, big love shout out, Beth Jess Lopez, thank you so much, and who else? Ate Darling Bermudo, thank you. And I think that's it. I think I already mentioned 10 because I know there's only 10 members. So, salamat po sa inyo sa pagtitiwala at saka I'm doing my best to give you the perks that I promised and I'm sticking to it. So, salamat talaga, and to all my super chatters, thank you so much. Char channel, of course. Parang nakalimutan ko si Char kanina. So, sinabi ko, salamat be sa pa-member mo at saka sa highest level ka pa talaga. Thank you so much. At saka sa Team Pabebe, hello! At saka sa Team Palaban, thank you so much. At sa pag-welcome niyo sa akin sa Team Palaban. At Team Pabebe, hello po sa inyo. At I wish you all a good week. Ano na ba ngayon? It's Wednesday. Weekdays. Papunta na tayo ng weekend. So hopefully, you'll all have a good weekends ahead. And salamat! At saka see you around. See you on my next vlog. Thank you! Mwah! that is anyway. Not the condition of my foot. Try it, find it in the store and try it yourself. And then I ordered, I think they're gonna ship it to me. Beautifully. And they have low heights. Or just go to the shoe store, or if you see one, and just try after having a foot-in support for my feet. And if you want to know more about the HOKA, it's HOKA, H-O-K. Oh my God.